What's good, kings and queens? Another great day from the universe. What's the best workout for beginners? Where to start? Where do I begin, Dana? Where do I go, DK? What I need to do? You need to build a habit. That's what you need to do. You need to build a habit. But the first thing is going to be in the mind. You need to get the mindset right. So where do I start? Where do I begin? I'm out here right now doing it. I'm walking. Need to start with walking. The reason I say walking and walk at the same time on the same days. If you're going to work out 2 times a week to get started or 3 times a week, pick those same days at the same time to build a habit. It's good to have a workout partner, but sometimes a workout partner can throw you off. Because if you get used to going to the gym with somebody, you're going to expect them to go with you. So okay, you can have a partner, but sometimes when their partner like, oh, I'm going to take a day off, you'll find a reason to take a day off too. And as soon as you try to sacrifice or discipline, something going to always come up. You just have to set in your mind. Reason I say mental, you have to put in your mind that you're going to do it regardless. Nothing to stop you. On those 2 days or 3 days you said at 4:30 in the evening, non-negotiable. You're doing that on them days at that time to build that habit. 20, 30 minutes, all you need, just walk. Wherever you walk at, outside, inside, treadmill, whatever you utilize, just build the habit, just walk. So if you're beginning on your journey, write it down. You see it, you think it, you can achieve it. So write it down that I'm just gonna walk 20, 30 minutes on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4:30. Whether it's at the gym, it's outside. If I have a walk buddy, I do. If I don't, I don't. So DK, what do I do when I begin? Just walk. Walk at your pace to build the habit. Once you get the habit built, then you add in small things. Okay, what I want to add in. You can add in a body squat. Okay, I can't do body squats. Well, you just try. Just take your body down, 90-degree angle, shoulder width apart with your feet. Just squat as many times as you can. You can just do, if you only can do 4 reps, that's a start. It's just a start. That's how you build your way up. It's like I couldn't do one pull-up. So what I do, I was hanging. I get on the bar and just hang until I could do halfway, pull myself up until I could do a full rep. I just do 1 rep every time I go to the gym. I do 1 rep. I may do 5, 6 sets of 1 till it may be a half rep. So you just build up. You do 4 body squats until you build your way up to 10. Do 3, 4 sets of that 3 to 4 reps just until you get it in. And then the same thing with push-ups. You start with your body weight first. You can do that. Or go to the gym and utilize the machines just so you can be safe. Whatever it is you feel comfortable with just to begin. Now they have trainers at Planet Fitness if you utilize Planet Fitness. So just get started. Utilize the machines. Do it. You can do something simple. 2 or 3 sets of 10. Just to get the muscles the feel of it until you get used to it. Then you can work your way into free weights. You don't have to start out with free weights. Just get started is the main thing. That's where you begin, just getting started. So where do I begin? I just start walking to build a habit. Get my mind right, write it down, and I start walking. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 2, 3 times a week, same day, same time to build the habit. Then get going. Then you can build after that. If you do that consistently for 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, or even 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, add in push-ups, sit-ups, crunches, however you're doing, and push-up. If you can't push up, just hold your body up and ease it down. Hold your body up until it falls to the ground. Keep doing that as one rep. 1 rep. If you have to do 6 sets of 1 rep, that's fine. Just get it done. So get out and get your walk on and let's go on. Get up, get out and do something. 1 day at a time, 1 rep at a time. Let go and let's grow. Be great, y'all.